Have you ever been stuck in a predicament where you're just not sure if you're getting all that you deserve on your power wash? That's what we're here to demonstrate tonight. I'm Chris with KC Power Clean. This is Larry.
How you doing?
You may have recently met John or one of our other business development guys who is just trying to give away a service. And as crazy as it sounds, we believe so thoroughly in our process that if you put us side by side with whoever you're currently using, or maybe you're not using anyone, you just want to see how clean we can get it, let us walk you through the process that we would take you through to make sure you feel informed as a buyer and that your money's going to be well spent. Today what we're going to do is demonstrate a general power washing degreasing product. This is sold from a huge chemical manufacturer in Southern California, and it's what's generally sold on the power wash stores shelves. This is what most guys who get into the industry begin cleaning with because it's just a general concrete cleaning and degreasing product. Then we're going to compare it with our product, which is a proprietary blend that helps really pull out everything from the concrete. It's a little bit of a different type of chemistry, and you'll be able to see immediately as it hits the surface how and why it's a little bit better. Then we'll run the tool over it, the surface cleaning machine, and you'll see the impact that it makes. So let's get the machine fired up and let's show the clients what they can be getting. So that has no chemicals. That's just a hot water machine, a very professional machine that can pop gum and lift surface oil. Now what we want to do is spread some of the degreasing product and spread it in. You'll see this degreaser start to lift a lot of the surface oils as we scrub it and broom it in. And then I'll also show you our cleaning product side by side. So you can see it start to fizzle under the concrete, and it's starting to pull and lift out a lot of the grime. So this area was just treating with the degreaser, and we're going to go back over with our product and see how much more grime we can pull out. This wash water can be sucked up with our vacuums. We can be treated. We can dispose them back in our sanitary sewer to make sure we're in compliance with the Clean Water Act to keep your business protected as well as ours. Give us a call. We're happy to provide a free demonstration.